How to Netflix recharge in TV. Now, if your subscription ended or if it is not charging you for some reason on Netflix, you don't have a mobile or a tablet and you want to just recharge directly from TV. Now, this process cannot be done using the Netflix app on your TV. However, if your TV is equipped with an internet browser, so depending upon your TV, you can download an internet browser. Once you open up an internet browser, you simply have to go to this URL called netflix.com/account. And when you come to netflix.com/account, here you will see a membership option. Now, in my case, I've already canceled my membership. So if you want to restart it, you can just select restart membership option here. It might ask you for your card details depending upon which TV you're using. Just make sure to enter your payment method. And once done, your Netflix account will be recharged and then you can begin watching it again. Now, as just a tip is that this process would be much more easier if you have a mobile phone or computer or laptop or something like that instead of doing it from your TV. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.